The cleaning of hotel rooms is often an area that's overlooked in terms of spreading of germs, and more recently regarding the spread of coronavirus. The cleaning of the rooms is often left to a visual cleanliness. This is an important aspect, but however, over the years we have discovered that it is the cleaning procedures and the use of cleaning cloths that presents the greatest risk to your guests staying in your rooms. We at FCS provide a room audit that will assess and monitor the hygiene of your room and the cleanliness. The audit assesses the following: the cleanliness of the rooms and bathroom, cleaning procedures, the maintenance of the room, availability of amenities, linen, towels, etc., according to your own standard. In addition, surface swabs are taken to further verify the correct cleaning has taken place. We have found that this offering is indeed particularly useful for the COVID-19 outbreak, and we would highly recommend considering this service. Get in touch with us regarding this service.